Ugh, when is this guy gonna show up? How long have we been waiting here?
About an hour.
These rich pricks, they think they can just show up whenever they want to.
They can. That's one of the perks of being a rich prick.
Things are gonna change in this country, man, I'm telling you. This control of power by the few, it ain't gonna last. This bureaucracy shit, or whatever the hell you call it. I'm telling you. Man, I'm tired of living like this. I just want things in my life to be decent, you know? Like, just decent. Did you know the same day Fatty Arbuckle died, he said, "This is the best day of my life"? That shit just speaks to me.
What are you talking about, Felix?
I don't even know anymore, man. I don't know. So, what did he say?
He said $2,000.
Come on, man. What did he really say?
$2,000.
Wait, what? Seriously? Wait, what the fuck? We do all his dirty work and he's gonna give us each $2,000?
No. We're gonna get $2,000 to split between us.
$1,000? $1,000 each. That's bullshit right there. That is the definition of bullshit. The definition. Why'd you tell him it was okay?
Did you want to talk to him?
Hell no. It's bullshit, man.
Yeah.
Just bullshit.
Yeah.
We deserve more.
Yeah.
What time is it?
11:58. There's still time to turn back, man. Are you still on board?
Yeah, 100%.
Cool. Okay. I spy with my little eye.
Oh, come on, man. No.
Something that is blue.
I don't know. The recycle bin.
No.
That fat guy's blue shirt.
Try again.
Okay. I don't know, man. The slide at the playground.
Felix, correct.
Shit, really?
Good job.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I spy something green.
Felix, you have to say the whole thing. I spy with my little eye.
Okay. I spy with my little eye something green.
The evergreen tree.
Nope.
The garbage can.
Negative.
The top of the picnic pavilion.
Wrong.
The green Jeep.
Still wrong.
I don't know, man. I give up.
It's your shirt, man. Your shirt.
Okay. You got me.
I did what you taught me, man. I didn't look towards your shirt when I said I spy.
Congratulations, Felix. You have beat me at my own game.
Thank you.
It's noon now, man. No turning back. You ready?
Yeah, I think so.
You know where to go.
Yeah. Up and over the hill. Follow the path until I get to the fork, go left till I see the creek, cross over the creek, and on the other side is the big fallen oak tree log I can hide the container in.
Great. When you get back, we're headed to St. Louis.
Oh man, I just got chills. I'm actually kind of nervous to do this now.
Felix, we're going to win this thing. I promise. In just a matter of time, we'll have enough money to go retire on a beach somewhere.
Okay, I like the beach.
You do like the beach.
I like the beach.
You like the beach.
Yeah. Okay, let's do this.